Broke your iPhone 8 screen in a drop test last week? Well, today I'm going to show you how to fix it. For this repair, you're going to need a P2 pentalobe screwdriver, a Phillips 000 driver, an eye opener, one ice glack, some iFixit opening picks, tweezers, and a spudger. Opening your iPhone may decrease its water resistance, so be sure to keep your iPhone safe from water exposure in the future. First things first, make sure your phone is powered off, and then go ahead and remove the 2 pentalobe screws from the bottom. We'll need to soften the adhesive on the phone using our eye opener, and then grab your ice glack to help separate the display. Now you can slide a pick into the seam of the phone and cut away the adhesive along all sides. The top of the display is held in place by clips, so you'll need to pull the display down a little to disengage them. Then, slowly open the iPhone to the right towards the power button, just like a book, but backwards. But be careful, the display is still connected by delicate cables. Grab your Phillips 000 driver and remove the 4 screws on the bracket that covers the battery, display, and home button cables. Move upstairs and remove the 3 screws and brackets securing the front camera and sensor cable and disconnect the cable. Now you can fully remove the display. That's all for this repair. Be sure to click that subscribe button so you have the newest repair videos in your back pocket for your next fix. I'll see you next time.